Marketing is constantly evolving, and as technology advances, so does the way we reach and engage our customers. But with the rise of artificial intelligence, some professionals may be feeling hesitant to embrace it. However, there are many reasons why marketing professionals shouldn't be afraid of AI. It can help with data analysis, personalization, automation, predictive analytics, and natural language processing. For example, AI can help analyze large amounts of data to identify patterns that humans may miss, which can be particularly useful for customer segmentation. It can also help personalize marketing messages and campaigns for individual customers, leading to higher engagement and conversion rates. AI can also automate repetitive and time-consuming tasks, such as email marketing and social media management, freeing up marketing professionals to focus on more strategic tasks. And it can analyze past data to make predictions about future customer behavior, helping to inform marketing strategies and tactics. In conclusion, AI is not something to be feared in the world of marketing, but rather embraced as a valuable tool. By leveraging the power of AI, marketing professionals can gain a competitive edge and achieve better results. Don't be afraid to embrace AI and see how it can benefit your work. Get in on the action. Subscribe, like, comment, and hit that bell for all the fun. Join our awesome community now.